Hey guys, it's Lauren. Alright, so I got a new phone and I didn't get an adapter for like my microphone. So if the sound quality in this video is shit, I'm sorry. I'm gonna try to talk really loudly, but as everybody knows, I get high as shit. Gosh, I already am high as shit. Like, I already had makeup on, I worked a shift. Like, I don't know. I've been really uninspired the past couple of weeks. Just like, alright. I was sitting in my bed watching my 4th episode of Bar Rescue. Scrolling through Instagram, probably Twitter, and then I see Alicia Danny, and she drew circles on her face, like a lot of them, and I was like, damn, I want to do that, but also with some of it coming out of my mouth, all creepy. And then I just, like, it's 10:30, like, I work tomorrow, I work at noon tomorrow, like, why, it's 10:40.
He needs some milk.
It's fine. I'm already high. I'm gonna get, like, look at my eyeballs right now. It's fine. It's fine. It's so fine. I'll see how long it takes for my eyes to not be literally so red. I've also decided that I'm going to use some things that I don't normally use and see how I feel about them. So I'm going to start with Benefit Pore. Why is that so light? Benefit Porefessional. Oh my god, James Charles. I don't really know how much of this to use, so we're just gonna do it. Someone please tell me if I'm using way too much, because I feel like I'm using way too much. Alright, I'm gonna use some of my foundation. It's Rimmel. I feel like I say that in every video, so like, it's Rimmel. Know if my makeup went on easier or not. Like, that's the thing, like, I can do primers work? Am I too high to know the difference between when I do my makeup with a primer and versus when I don't? Maybe. I feel like I might do purple. I don't know what I'm gonna do. We'll see what happens. Why am I saying everything 8 times? Did I just drop this everywhere? Yes. So I'm gonna do a little contour. I'm trying to still figure out what color I'm gonna do. Our colors. Whenever I say I'm gonna contour a little bit, it always just ends up being just full on, you know? The bitch doesn't know how to chill. Alright, now what kind of brows am I gonna do? Maybe I'll just start filling it in with my chocolate mousse brow pencil and see what happens. Okay, so as I'm still deciding on what color to do, I feel like I haven't done purple in a while. So I'm going to take my James Charles Morphe palette and I'm going to use Escape. Okay, so this is MAC Instigator. I'm gonna use a little bit of Colourpop Hutch. So again, that's Hutch from Colourpop, which is a liquid lipstick, and Instigator from MAC. So it's not like a solid line. As you can see, it's messy. So now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my Kat Von D tattoo liner. I'm gonna go around my eyebrow. Now, unlike my Blonde Talkie one, this one is meant to be a little less precise. I don't want my lines to be as crisp, obviously, or I would be taking like a lot more time and I would be a lot more stressed. Okay, so now I'm going to use my MAC Up For Everything lash. I think I want to add a gloss on top of them bad boys. Do I also want to put some on my lids? Maybe I'll just throw on a bottom lash or something. I'm not talking loud. I said I was gonna talk loud and I'm not. Somebody kill me. Oh no, I just kicked that really hard. So I'm gonna put a bottom lash on this eye, just one eye. So I'm gonna use a bit of Moonchild in Purple Horseshoe, and then I'm also gonna use some like Paris Hilton thing that someone got me in a present. There's a like light purple one in there. Ooh. All right, and the final look. You know, when you get inspired, you just do it sometimes, because I think this came out pretty interesting. I kind of like it. I know most people probably won't, and most of my friends, as usual, will tell me I'm insane, but, you know. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci. I like it, and that's all that matters. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye! Oh, and there's fucking... Alright, bye.